Should you crack your own back? Firstly, the reason you may feel that you need to crack your back is that often there's a misalignment somewhere in your spine. That misalignment then causes some other part of your spine to start feeling stiff or stuck. Sometimes just stretching and some movement can help relieve the tension. But other times you may need to literally crack your own back by doing a very firm stretch, and that gives you the relief you need. The problem is that does nothing for that original misalignment that's driving the whole problem in the first place. So your relief is usually temporary, and you need to do the whole thing again when that tension builds back up once more. If you want longer term relief and actually to correct the underlying issues, advanced biostructural correction practitioners are trained to locate and correct those misalignments that you just can't crack for yourself.